This is the scene across much of the watershed. A record amount of snowpack melting in the upper portion of the watershed made its way through the system, causing widespread flooding.
So that drove this. We set record levels on Mazenod Lake. Water levels came up very, very quickly, and that water is now making its way down through the system.
Due to rainfall, warmer temperatures, and snowmelt, this time of year is susceptible to flooding. That's why MVCA takes a proactive approach to the management of the system.
How the system works is in the fall we do fall drawdowns on all of the upper lakes. We do that in September, October, and November to drain those lakes so that we've got storage for snowmelt and rainfall in the spring.
In video number 4, we explained how and why we do snow courses to gauge the amount of water content in the snow, both of which have to make their way through the system in the spring. That is how we knew this could be a record year and started sending out messages accordingly.
We've set record levels in the upper part of the watershed.
There are conference calls to check in with our partners, issuing flood messaging when necessary, and the constant monitoring of forecasts and water levels so we can best be prepared.
We can't actually operate the dams until we see where the rain falls and how much actually occurs. In response to the forecast for heavy rainfall as we're pulled out of Mazenod Lake, the rate of rise on Mazenod Lake was unprecedented. Even by pulling the logs that we did, the lake went up over a foot in a 12-hour span. The dam was overtopped as it is designed to do so. We want to get that water off of the dam as quickly as possible and to protect the integrity of the Mazenod Lake Dam.
The Ottawa River Basin, which still has a lot of snowpack in the upper region and is forecasted to experience significant rainfall today, levels are expected to exceed those experienced at the height of the May 2017 flood.